Welcome once again. Today we're going to get some more insights into the algebra questions in our 2017 CSEC Math Past Papers. I'm Teacher Walton. As usual, we start with the Word of God, which says in Numbers 6, and this verse is 6:26, that the Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. So we continue with that promise from God, as stated in his word, that we are blessed and his favor is upon us. Part of the favor of God is the peace that comes with it. And we declare the peace of God over you and your household. We are not going to be flustered. We're not going to be worried. We're not going to be stressed out by exams, especially mathematics, which we know a lot of us find that it's a difficult subject. So we are moving in faith. The peace of God is upon you. Peace is your portion. So let's go straight into these algebra questions for today. 2017. And the first question is number 23, which says we need to write 7 times the product of two numbers A and B. That's a statement. We need to put that using our algebraic symbols. So 7 times the product of two numbers A and B. 7 times the product of two numbers A and B. Well, that's number 21. And we know this can be written as 7AB. 7 times the product of two numbers A and B. And that's number 21. So we'll go with answer A. Number 22. Sorry, wrong number in. This is question number 23. And we are now on question number 24. Right, so in 24, we are given that x is an integer, and we are further told that 2x is more than 4 and less than or equal to 6. And we need to rewrite this. Now, we notice that 2 can be divided throughout here. So we are trying to determine the value of x. So when we divide throughout by 2, we notice that x is greater than 2 and less than or equal to 3. So it looks like answer A. Okay, so number 25. Let's see what 25 says. The coefficient of x in the expansion of. So let's expand this and see what the coefficient of x is. So that's number 25. X plus 3 by x minus 1. Determine x. Okay, let's expand the entire expression just for practice. So x by x is x squared. X by minus 1 is minus x. 3 by x plus 3x. 3 by minus 1 minus 3. Now, of course, our focus is really on the middle terms here, minus x plus 3x. So this will simplify to 2x, and the entire expression will be x squared minus 2x minus 3. And of course, we want the coefficient of x, which is the number in front of x, and that answer will be minus 2. Remember, you also take your sign with your number. So answer B. Okay, let's Go to question 26. So we are given 3x squared. Right, in 27, we are testing our ability to simplify after we substitute values into an expression. So you're given this formula if you want. Pm cube, P is equal to m cube divided by 2 minus m. And we want to find the value of P when m equals to minus 2, is it? Yes, it is. M equals to minus 2. So let's substitute. P is equal to minus 2 cube divided by 2 minus minus 2. Now minus 2 cube means minus 2 by minus 2 by minus 2. And we have 2 minus minus, this becomes 2 plus 2. Right, so this is really minus 8 over 4, which is really minus 2. I'm seeing answer A. Right, so the substitution continues in question number 28 as well. And in 28, we are given the rule that A star B means A over B minus 1. So what is 7 star 28? Well, we have to substitute A equals to 7 and B equals to 28 in the expression. So this becomes 7 over 28 minus 1. 7 over 28 is a quarter. Minus 1 is equal to minus 3/4. Answer E. Okay, number 29. 29 is testing our ability to solve a simple equation. And this equation is 5, open brackets, 2x minus 1, close brackets, equals to 35. So we have a couple different ways of doing this problem. Let's expand the brackets. So it is 10x minus 5 equals to 35. And of course, we're going to add 5 on both sides. So this will give us 10x minus 5 plus 5 is 0. 35 plus 5 equals 40. And then we divide by 10 on both sides. So we get a value x equals to 4. Let's check the answer on that one. X equals to 4. That is answer D. So that was 29. Let's go to question number 30. And we are working all the way up to question number 31. So in question 30, we are told John has X marbles. John has X marbles. Mary has twice as many marbles as John. So that'll be 2x, 2 by x, 2x. Max gives John 5 of his marbles. Max gives John 5 of his marbles. How many marbles does John now have? All right. So if you give him 5 of his marbles, or instead of saying, sorry, this person here is not Mary, this person here is Max. So Max has twice as many marbles as John. Right, Max gives John 5 of his marbles. How many marbles does John now have? Well, if John had X marbles before and he got 5 of his marbles from Max, then the number of marbles John supposed to have now supposed to be X plus 5. Yeah, all right, and that's answer A. Right, I'm not seeing any other way of looking at that problem involving is the number of marbles Max will have after he give, and that's not the question asked. After he give John 5 marbles will be 2x minus 5. Okay, and in number 31, when 8 is subtracted from a certain number and the result is multiplied by 3, the answer is 21. What is the original number? Well, let x be that original number, right? Let x represent the original number. And we are told, let's read the question again. When 8 is subtracted from a certain number, which is x, 8 is subtracted from x, so it's x minus 8. The result, which is x minus 8, is multiplied by 3. So this whole expression is multiplied by 3, giving an answer of 21. And we are now asked to solve for x. Right, so let's look at a slightly different technique here in solving for x. We can divide both sides by 3. So instead of expanding your brackets, you can divide both sides by 3. That will give us x minus 8 equals to 7. And then we can now add 8 to both sides. So minus 8 plus 8 will be 0. So you have x equals to 15. And I'm seeing your answer D. Right, so just in case you're wondering and you still prefer expanding the brackets, let's do it. Remove the brackets, you multiply through by 3, so you get 3x minus 24 equals to 21. And in this second method, you would add 24 on both sides. Right, let's see what this gives. So you have 3x minus 24 plus 24 is 0 equals to 45. And of course, we then proceed to divide by 3, giving us the same answer, x equals to 15. So the choice is yours. Right, so that will bring us to the end of our algebra questions for 2017. May God continue to bless you.